Hello guys, you're watching SNB Spoken English classes, and this time we have to require spoken English. It is a mandatory language because since 30 years before it is not compulsory language, because that time mother tongue or mother language is sufficient for the talking and daily utilizing into your daily lifestyle. But now what happened into your syllabus and every subject and every work to be uh, connected by English language. There should be English language is very uh, mandatory and very compulsory language to be not only the pronouns, not only utilized for talking, but it is very compulsory language to your entire syllabus, entire your uh,